surprise.
It's simple, really. So,
Everyone say hey.
okay, it's kind of quiet today. Gotta hit him with the
Hey guys.
yay. All right. If I don't say yay after hey guys, did I even really hey guys
I
them?
don't think so. But we are moving.
Okay, get really excited. It's a change for us. We are going into Madison and Mallory 4.0. Round of applause. So we are actually in our warehouse currently. This is the space. Here you go. We had this grand vision. We were gonna be up on ladders so you could have a bird's eye view, and then we realized we don't have the tripod to make that happen.
So we are moving into a brand new warehouse fairly soon. Had a meeting this morning about it, about all the changes, and we want to show you guys bare bones before, dirt, grit, grime, and all. I don't know
So dirty.
how old this building is. I think it's like a early 2000s maybe. So it needs some love.
Definitely still a Gen Z building.
Still in its prime. It's a Gen Z building.
Yeah. So
I think the one we're in now is millennial.
No side parts and skinny jeans for this building.
No,
Though
she's
it will
cool.
still house skinny jeans because we've got you millennials and you Gen Zers with all of our cool, do they say cool?
Rad.
Fashion at madisonandmallory.com, which if you didn't even know, we have a boutique. We opened a boutique in 2016 and this will be our fourth
Headquarters.
home for our boutique, which is really exciting.
This is the most exciting because we have not customized or branded any of our spaces, and this is going to be our most unique.
I mean, to be fair,
place.
we did put insulation, lights, seal the concrete, and added air conditioning in this one.
I mean, we have not customized in the sense of when you walk into this one, the doors are going to say Madison and Mallory. It's going to be our home, hopefully for a little bit.
Yes, we're really excited. The owner is really awesome. He's working with us to kind of customize the space because it is such an older building and it hasn't, I don't think it's had anyone in it for maybe 10 years. So we're getting to kind of go in, add, change up the layout, the floor plan. So we're gonna try to document for that. I know that we talked about in the video when we're showing you the walkthrough, we said we didn't know if we'd be able to update it, but we talked to him today. He said we can.
We've already got the keys.
Yeah, we
so
have the keys.
We can go over there whenever we want.
Yeah, so we've already designed a layout that we like. And then, pending all the structural stuff, hopefully it will be the layout we go with for the most part.
Excited.
It's awesome because you pretty much said yes to every change we asked about.
Except for one thing I did tell Steph, there's those
The hallway?
parts where it's like, so you have it here, but it just be a little bit like this. So that's okay, right?
We're just gonna leave 6 inches over here on this wall. That's okay.
And I said, as long as I get my windows and, that fun loft space, then yes.
We're game.
Yes.
So we're gonna show you guys again the bare bones, and hopefully we'll have some video updates throughout. It may be vlog style, it may be a whole update on the building. It's just gonna depend how fast it gets done and how what kind of sections it gets done in. Because we may go a long period of time without a good update and then do a big update at once.
Right now it is March 22nd. And as soon as everything's finalized to move forward, it could start as soon as April 1.
Yeah, he was saying in the next week.
Just kidding,
or so.
we're not moving. Wait, it's not April Fool's yet.
All right, guys, let's get into the tour and show you guys M&M 4.0.
All right, guys, so we are gonna take you on a little before tour. We've got a lot of work to do on this before it's ready to go. So we're just gonna kind of show you what it looks like before we get in there and change it all up.
It's also separated into 2 spots.
Okay, so it's very dark. I don't know where the light switch is on.
Well, I think that one's just out. Oh, no.
Ha. Okay, so we are going to obviously paint the walls because this tan we could never. And currently it's set up in an A and B situation. So there's warehouse space on either side. Divided in the middle, there's offices on either side. So we want to just
Yeah.
go through.
Not only are we painting, but we're rearranging walls.
Yeah.
So
So This walks through actually to the warehouse side, but we'll save that for later. And yeah, they are being really cool. They're saying that, you know, all of the walls and spaces can be configured to what we need. We can paint everything, do new flooring because it's kind of old.
It's been here for a minute.
This is actually going to stay the break room space. It's gonna get a facelift.
And extension.
And extension, because it's pretty gross. Okay, so that's cool, because this is where the fridge was. You can see where the like thing was, but it has a water hookup, so that's cool, because our current fridge, we can't hook up to have ice.
He's definitely saying fridge over here, but because that wall's gonna actually be gone.
Oh yeah.
So he might have to run it on the back wall.
We can still have water no matter what.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a bathroom. Again, all of this is going to be refinished and new. And we're keeping the bathrooms in the break room where they are because it's just more cost effective that way. Water heater, this will have to stay, but I think what we'll have is it closed off
Closer.
in like a smaller configuration because there's a bathroom on this other side.
But we're gonna blow out this wall.
Yeah, we're gonna blow it out and you're gonna enter that bathroom through here. There's even a light in here.
You're not gonna be in the closet. You're gonna be in this room, entering the bathroom.
Yeah, like this space is gonna be off.
Yeah.
And so like,
There'll be a door on the,
you'll see. We're envisioning our office space back here.
when we blow the wall out.
Blow the wall out because this is the only way you can get any kind of natural light is at the back of the building or the front of the building. More often. It's kind of interesting to see it all lit up because it lets you see how bright or not bright. Also, these floors have got to go. It is so echoey.
Yeah.
And that's something we've got to think about.
Well, we're gonna have some rugs.
We'll have rugs.
Yeah.
More office spaces with horrible green paint.
Oh, what were they thinking? Oh.
So, nice burgundy option here.
Some more baby poop.
We're also supposed to be getting new LED lighting as well, which this fluorescent is horrid. Okay, now we come out. Oh, we just left this door wide open. I'm just gonna close it.
This hallway comes out into a warehouse, but also the other room opens, which we might like have less entrances. We don't know. We're not sure.
Okay,
But
now currently we don't think we're gonna be using this side of the warehouse because we're only gonna choose to heat and cool one side. Not this side, it's gonna be the other side because the other side will be larger to start, but this will be a nice overflow space that we're gonna try to have it connected so that it's easy to flow over for later. And we've got nice roll-up doors. They don't look nice.
it's gonna be fixed.
They need to be fixed, but they're really big, so that's good.
Yeah.
And then this is,
The walls will be painted also.
yeah, we're gonna paint the plywood because we feel like
And this gets shiny and
yeah,
finished.
we feel like if we paint them white, it will help brighten everything.
Yeah.
And we need all the light we can get. Also gonna seal the floors.
Can turn into a basketball court, y'all.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Okay, and this is the creepy haunted hallway down here. It actually doesn't look so creepy with the light on back there.
Yeah.
So what we were saying, just okay.
Oh, Fred moved.
I kicked him yesterday. Okay, so when Matt and I were here, he said that this is the piping that comes from the hot water, the water heater. So we can probably
The door in right here.
have the door come in right here. So this might not be any smaller, but that's fine. So
Yeah.
the door's gonna come in right here.
That's probably why it's
This will
not
be
much
closed
smaller.
off. Yeah, this will be closed off. The door will come in right here. And this is,
Put a window in the bathroom.
we could have a window. It's just like one of those like
Peepholes?
marbly glass
Yeah.
where you can't really see it.
Yeah, this is the wall we're gonna blow out back here.
Yeah, so our offices will hopefully be
Up against the,
occupying this space and have windows. Our office and then like a photo space.
yeah.
But we'll just have to work around this thing, which is also what's in that bathroom. Okay, so this next space is really fun. It's our loft space. Okay, so these stairs are hopefully going to be kind of closed off, like, so
They're gonna get a
holes.
makeover.
Yeah, they'll get closed in, maybe painted. who knows? I'm kind of excited that we'll have stairs that we're going up regularly because I can use all the help I can get. Also, these are going to be reconfigured to where you walk right over onto the loft space instead of coming up and then going down. We definitely feel that it is warm.
Yes, today.
Now.
Well, it's 80 degrees today.
Yeah. So, okay, this space we are envisioning as an indoor photo space.
This will be moved
Yeah, the air handler is going to be like this.
and like walled off.
Flipped over to the other side. And
And we're gonna have walls.
yeah, we're gonna have like half walls, and we're gonna have an area over here where we can do photo shoots. So we will have drywall put up here and we can just shoot stuff.
And then a half wall around and then flooring. It's gonna get completely refinished and redone.
You're seeing the bare bones.
Yeah, this is fixer-upper, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you gotta envision it. It's gonna be a reno project. And I don't know how much we're gonna be able to show you guys the process throughout.
We're gonna try.
But as much as we can come by and get updates, we will. Which the guy who owns this building knows that we do YouTube, so hopefully, fingers crossed,
This
show you guys.
is the dividing wall between this loft and the other side of the building, and we're gonna go over there and show you guys. But it's completely like, it's one solid piece with just a wall straight down the middle.
Yeah, it's just
So,
like drywall on either side. So hopefully we're gonna be able to cut through, and it'll be a faster way of like accessing that warehouse than going all the way down the stairs, walking through the corridors.
just one more connection
Yeah.
on it. So that was half of the warehouse.
Yeah, that was half.
So now we're gonna go to the other half.
So this is a little brighter.
Because the wall paint is white too.
Yeah, okay. So this is the other half.
And the other one is right on the other side of this wall.
Right.
So we're gonna connect them.
Currently, we are planning to take these two rooms out. So this room and the connecting room are gonna be converted to just straight up warehouse. So you will not have these two rooms over here. We're hoping to have a pass through that goes from the warehouse over through to this side and connect to that warehouse, because if we expand to where we're using that side for storage of inventory, it'll be nice to have a way to get back and forth. So these are,
This is the kind of flooring we're gonna do, but not that color.
yeah, we're gonna do like a lighter gray. Just to open spaces. Like I'm trying to like figure out what was here. I can't tell. And then this just has like a little, kind of like a wide hallway with a sink and a closet. This office I think will be expanded to this wall because we don't really need
Any of this.
any of this.
Yeah.
And then we're thinking this is going to be the guy's office, Matt and Bucky. And then this is a bathroom that will stay here. And then we go to the other warehouse.
Which this wall right here will be gone. This is the rooms that will be gone.
Right.
So
So this is the room.
it'll open up essentially into the warehouse right here.
Yeah. And then there's another bathroom and water heater closet that will be staying, which I don't know if this can be made any smaller. This one will be getting heated and cooled, which honestly, in the middle of the summers in Alabama, it gets to 100 degrees and the humidity is insane. So it's just really not optimal for storing clothes without climate control warehouses. So that's what we're gonna have.
And
Now
that
this-
that's the whole section that's gonna be gone.
Yeah, all of that's gonna be gone.
So from there to there.
Okay.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna blow it out. Blow it out. Okay, and there's more loft space up here, which I haven't been up here as many times, and I kind of want to see like what we have space-wise. Yeah, I feel like there's so much ductwork up here, you can't.
Yeah, the only thing that would have been good is that this outshoot didn't have any ductwork. So like it could have been a really good big space
Yeah.
with no ductwork, but
Yeah.
we can't, that building, that room's gotta go. It's gotta go. We need more warehouse space more than we need that. I'm out of breath from going up there.
Yeah, we're getting that workout.
Shoo, that's it.
This is the space.
Yeah. You know, Madison and Mallory moving on up. What is this, 3.0? No,
Yeah.
4.0.
I mean, it's technically our 4th location, but I feel like the loft space didn't really count as an official space.
I mean, we did
started
be
there.
packaging orders on the kitchen counter.
We did be. It was a good time. So really excited. Right now, we're looking at like a 2.5 months
Fast.
from here. So hopefully beginning to mid-June, we will be moved in. Every time I'm here, I get excited for it again. And
It's scary, but then I get excited.
yeah, I get scared, but then I come here and it feels right. And so I always try to just work on like what my gut feelings are, and my gut feelings are saying yes. Plus, I really like the guy who owns it. So I think that's just, you got to make those kinds of choices.
Yeah.
So, all right, let us know what you guys want to see as far as our building goes and the process, because we're really excited. Do you want to add anything?
That's about it. I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's gonna get fun.